yes, I'm using V just for me because Rocky heard about something really exciting. He's already run away. So let's go and find out what got Rocky so excited. Come on, come on, come on. Hi. How are you?
Welcome to Hyderabad.
Thank you. Listen, does anybody know where Rocky's gone?
He's run off from here and gone inside. We actually don't know.
He's already inside and he has locked his door.
Let me go find out. Rocky भैया
कोई नहीं है please go away.
अरे yeah, there are all of us. I've heard there's something really nice to eat. Please, can we come and take part of it?
There's nothing here. You guys go get something nice. I'm alone here. I'm just crying in the corner. I promise, I'm crying. There's nothing here. Bye.
Rocky भैया,
What?
this is Ayub. He's the owner of this place.
Oh, you're the owner here?
Yeah.
I can come.
Oh, yeah, please, yeah, come here. You please come in here. Mayur, you're a vegetarian.
And this is my friend Abdul. He's very nice. He loves your show. Can he come in also?
You love the show, Abdul?
Yeah.
Promise?
Yeah.
Okay, you can come in.
Okay. And this is Abhishek. This is my friend.
Abhishek is my friend also.
He makes really nice goli soda. He's a very nice guy also. Can he come in?
Okay, come on, Abhishek.
Thank you.
अब यार सब तो आ गए. At least let me in also.
You're a vegetarian?
Yeah.
You can come in also.
But why are you hiding?
And we need 10 more people. So you also come in, please. And let me tell you why we need 10 more people. Because just 5 people is not enough to take care of this. Please come. Get ready for the biggest surprise that you'll get in Hyderabad at Azebo or anywhere else. And here it is. Ta-da!
Holy moly, look at the size of this guy. Oh my God. Wow. One sec. Let me put my hand here. That's the size of my hand.
Put your hand later, please. Have a seat first.
Okay.
Please have a seat.
Okay.
First.
Come guys. Come on.
So guys, fantastic. What a beautiful sight this is. Please tell me, what is this called first of all?
It's called Special Assorted Mandi, Azebo Special Assorted Mandi. You get 3 varieties of mutton here, you get 2 varieties of chicken, 2 varieties of fish, prawns, everything. You know, I mean, after having it, you will sleep over here.
Beautiful. So please come here, take a closer look over here. I want you to put your eyes on this. Come here, no, come here please, only this. तो Ayub आप please अब बताइए कि कौन सी चीज क्या है? What is this?
This is boneless chicken.
Boneless chicken?
Yeah, this is crispy fish.
Okay.
This is prawns and this is sesame seed fish. This is faham chicken and this is barbecue chicken and this is barbecue tikka chicken. You have got this kind of thing, mutton fry, mutton matfoon here. So you can open it.
Matfoon as in don't call me, I'll call you.
Matfoon.
It's baked underground.
Wow, look at that. That is hot. Fantastic. Beautiful. It's just coming off the bone over here that I can see. Ow.
So juicy.
Oh my God, it's amazing, yeah. So Ayub, what was the concept? How did you come up with this idea?
This was the whole concept of this full assorted. Basically,
Achha, please dig in, yeah. Please, guys, don't feel shy. Please.
Eat. Come on, the whole idea is.
I can't stop myself now.
Good. So what was the idea?
Basic idea was many people who come over here, they come in groups like 10 members, 15 members, above 8 members. So they were planning to have something in one dish, a get together. A lot of items in one dish. So you get this all and you get the rice as well.
So it's a simple no-brainer. You come in as a group.
Yeah.
You give a plate to everybody. The rice is on the side. The meats are all here.
Yeah.
Whoever wants helps themselves. And this is a community eating situation.
Yeah.
And it's very interesting because I've seen you have 3 floors at Azebo.
Yeah.
The first floor I think is for single guys.
Yeah, 2 people, 4 people.
Just guys who are relaxing.
And then the next floor?
It's for family.
Okay.
Yeah, small families.
Yeah.
4 people,
Yeah.
5 people family. And
then
here
this?
you can have 10 people family and
Right.
12. And this is for whole big 30 members.
Wow.
Like that.
So the original private dining room,
Yeah.
which has become very popular in big cities, that
Yeah.
you come and you take a special room all for yourself and your group of people.
Yeah.
So this is really a PDR, a private dining room.
Yeah.
But this one is at Azebo. And this is in Tori Chowki near the RTA office. And this whole area is really famous. It has a lot of iconic restaurants.
Yeah.
People come all the way here. There are apparently entire buildings which are just restaurants. I just want to say one thing because I'm the one person who can't eat any of this. So can you just tell me what that beautiful looking dish there is? And then after that, can you pass it to me?
This is something very special in Hyderabad actually.
Okay.
इसको बोलते हैं fruit का मीठा. You call it fruit का मीठा that you get in Hyderabadi weddings. You don't get
Okay.
it anywhere. Only in Hyderabad we serve it.
No,
So
have you
get
told him the
that.
rule?
Yeah.
Whoever has the first bite of fruit ka meetha like you just had
Yeah.
has to get married in Hyderabad.
I would love to do that, but I have a feeling my wife wouldn't approve, so I'll pass. And what exactly is the fruit ka meter?
We have
Hello,
lot of,
घंटी किसकी बज रही है?
we have lot of,
Sorry. Your phone is ringing. Please take a break. Are you both it? Come on, girlfriend.
नहीं,
no,
अगर
I'm already
शादी की
married.
बात हुई और फोन आ गया तो देखो गड़बड़ है।
Married and you have a girlfriend. There you go. Look at what the world is coming to. Okay. So I've tried this mutton over here. What mutton is this?
mutton matfoon.
Matfoon.
Yeah. So matfoon means it's baked
Matfoon भी
underground.
बोला फिर भी घंटी बज गई.
अरे मटफून means baked underground. So it's basically
Stuffin.
हाँ, अच्छा
Stuffin
you know.
kind of.
हाँ,
His bell was ringing. That's why.
Oh,
मत फोन कर यार अभी मत फोन कर मैं बात कर रहा हूँ.
amazing. Sir. Your sense of humor.
So it's wrapped, it's put underground, and it's cooked for hours and hours and hours. So it reaches this fine state where just one touch will remove it from the bone, like this. Oh my God! Look at that! This is delicious.
The taste what we can get in something
Right.
unique
Right.
and everything.
No, it is very different. I'll say this.
Yeah, and can I just jump in here for 1 second? Like just mandi seems to be the new craze in Hyderabad. Hyderabad is traditionally known as a city of biryanis, but now they have a new kid in the block, the mandi, and the mandi is very different from a biryani.
Yeah, yeah.
Because
It's
from
totally
what I
different.
understand,
Yeah.
you cook the meat, and then in the water of the
Yeah,
meat
yeah, yeah.
with all the spices,
The
you
stock.
cook the rice and that,
Yeah.
and then all the meat is put on top.
Yeah.
So you can pick and choose. Everybody gets the base of the rice,
Yeah.
and then you can pick and choose your meats.
Yeah. Whatever you want, you can have it. It's very light on your stomach. That is the main difference between biryani and mandi.
Yeah.
So that is, I mean, going crazy in Hyderabad.
You realize how funny you sound saying it is very light on your stomach when we're sitting in front of a thali that probably weighs, what, 10 kilos. Very light.
It's very light.
No, this is a fantastic way to bring all your friends down over here. Come up to the 3rd floor of the Azebo. Order yourself a Azebo special assorted mandi.
Let's call it, give it a name, yaar. Make it trendy like ASAM. Can I come and get an Assam? Yeah.
Assam.
Yeah. Assam.
Come down to Azebo, order a Assam,
Ah.
and you'll get this, and you will have a party till as long as you can eat, and I guarantee you, 10 of you are also not finishing this.
After having this, you can have this drink so that your food can.
Oh, the drink is
That's
good.
a
Good.
Saudi champagne.
Saudi champagne?
That's non-alcoholic, but.
Or non-alcoholic.
Yeah,
Come
yeah,
back, chalega. So fantastic place to be, fantastic food to eat. The hip new taste, which is the mandi, served in this hip new style. Flavors from the Middle East, right here in the heart of Hyderabad. This is a lot of fun and a lot of food.
Yeah.
Please dig in.